Good Saturday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchers, and this is your outlook for June 8th, 2013. And starting off with the radar loop for the last 6 hours, and Andrea did, or at least the post-tropical form of Andrea, did move just off the New Jersey coastline, and you can see it just, the center circulation is now up here in the Gulf of Maine, started up in this area here, and then headed northeast. This is just the last 6 hours. One thing you will notice in its wake, though, there is some showers popping up here over south central PA this morning, and this is associated with a little piece of energy that's moving through around the base of the trough. So there's a mid-level system, and you could squeeze out some, a shower or two as this moves through. As we look at the infrared on post-tropical cyclone Andrea, we're going to keep this up on the website today until it's completely out of the area here, but you can clearly see a defined comma head on the storm here. Oops, there we go. Defined comma head here, and this is a pretty decent sized storm, but it has lost tropical characteristics because it is now a cold chord system as opposed to a tropical system being a warm chord system. So this has rapidly moved northeast at 34 miles an hour, and then you clearly see this mid-level energy right here that's sitting almost right over top of us, or at least over central PA. This is going to lift northeast at about the same speed that this system here is moving away, and just kind of follow on its heels. Now, this is going to be a big deal. This is just going to present a pop-up shower at any point today, most likely this afternoon, but it could be anywhere from 11, 12 o'clock onward, where you just, it could be partly cloudy, and the next thing you know, you have a shower moving through it. It lasts 5-10 minutes and moves out. This is not going to be a washout today, so if you do have outdoor plans, it shouldn't affect it too much. But you do have that chance just about anywhere for that pop-up shower or storm on Saturday. Looking at the future radar here, we're starting off with 8 o'clock this morning, and then moving forward in time, you do see those isolated showers just popping up here just at random. And then we're going to be doing that again across South Jersey, Southeast PA. Pretty much our entire area has this risk of a pop-up shower today, but I wouldn't be surprised if your area doesn't get anything at all. It's just going to depend on where that sets up, and then that energy pushes off to the northeast. Later this afternoon, we're dealing with a nice evening and a nice day on Sunday. Looking at the European model, has the same idea here with this little piece of energy moving through and a pop-up shower associated with it. And then we get into Sunday, and we're high and dry on Sunday here. You can see that clearly. We're going to have some winds coming in from the west-southwest like this, so we're going to have some temperatures here in this area here in the low to mid-80s over much of our coverage area, which will make for a really nice Sunday. And then it'll be good on Sunday, but then it's going to take a turn for the downhill on Monday. We're going to have a system coming in from the Great Lakes, and then it's going to be dragging a cold front with it, very slow-moving cold front. And as it does so, you're going to have some showers and thunderstorms, mostly dealing with this in Monday afternoon, Monday evening time frame. And then overnight, this is overnight Monday, but then some lingering showers again on Tuesday, you can see here. But I think the more concentrated rainfall will be on Monday. So right out on the heels of some areas getting, 3-4 inches of rain, you're going to have some more rain to deal with on Monday and Tuesday. Not nearly in the same scale, though. Not talking about as much rainfall this time. And then that system moves out for midweek, and we have a frontal boundary that'll push south through probably Wednesday night time frame. Pushes her south, and the high pressure builds in behind it as we head towards next weekend. So right now we're looking at temperatures in the mid 70s and mid 80s range over the next week. We're pretty much near normal. 75 to about 85 will be the range of temperatures, and for the most part, we'll be between 75 and 80. A couple times they spike above 80 degrees, but that's pretty much what we're dealing with this week. As we head into the following week, we might get into a little bit more of a warm-up, but right now we're looking at near normal temperatures, and that unstable pattern where you're going to have storm after storm coming in here, but we're not looking at anything tropical again for a while. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchers, and that is your outlook for Saturday, June 8th. Have a great day.